Born in 1903 during the second U.S. Industrial Revolution, Caldwell was born and raised in the city of Chicago. At that time, it was growing like crazy. As an adult, during the Great Depression, while he was looking for work, along with many other people, he was given the assignment of taking care of this small plot of land in basically the middle of Chicago to do something with it and to make it an inland paradise, basically, for the people of the city of Chicago. What a lot of people don't realize is that was also the time of the Works Progress Administration, which was part of the New Deal, where the federal government provided pay for a lot of unemployed people to work on WPA projects. The Lily Pool was a beneficiary of those types of monies and those type of people. The stones were laid by WPA people. A lot of the digging and dredging was done by WPA people. And so we have that era to thank for all of this beauty that surrounds us even yet today.